Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you Mercedes R230 SL55 AMG. This model is the 5.5 supercharged engine. Today I'm going to be changing the spark plugs. It's a V8 supercharged and it takes 2 spark plugs per cylinder. So I have 16 right here. And let's get started. I'm going to need the tools, the spark plug removal tool, which has a rubber boot to grab onto the spark plug, and a few extensions. First thing we're gonna do is remove the engine cover. Just gently pry it out and put this to the side. Now remove the air ducts and place these to the side as well. Now we're going to remove air box. Make sure you remove slowly like this and remove the other side. Under the throttle body is a plastic capping. We just lift slowly and pull back. And carefully lift up the air box. Behind the air box, S55, CO55, and SL55 engines have a vacuum hose connected. For the E55 and CLS, it doesn't. So just remove that and set this to the side. There are 4 coil packs on each side. We are going to remove, we're going to be using T30 torque spit to remove the torques in each of the coil pack. And also carefully remove your connector. Just press from here and pry it up just like that. And I'm going to remove all the connectors on each coil pack. After removing the electrical connections, put the wiring to the side and remove the first coil pack by using Torx 30. Torx 30 bolt. Use a magnet and set this to the side. Now pull each spark plug wire out. There's 2 per coil pack. Just grab it, pull, set these in order to the side. Number 2 is out. Just put the screw back in here so you don't lose it and put it in order. Third one is out. Fourth one. All 4 passenger side ones are done. Now I'm going to work on the driver's side. So there's 2 spark plug wires on each coil pack. The shorter one goes to the left side, and the one on top, which is a little bit longer, will go on the right side. Easy to remember, top goes right, the bottom goes to the left. So it's a good idea to remove all the screws at once. That's one. That's number 2. You could also label each coil pack. As you can see, I did 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Or you could just do it the way I showed by putting them out in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 3. Last, number 4. This is the second one. And that's number 6. Number 7. And the last one. After removing the coil packs, we're going to remove the spark plugs. First spark plug. After removing one of the spark plugs, I'm going to install one new. As you've seen, I've taken out the first spark plug and I'm going to replace it with the new one. I'm going to take out all the other spark plugs, the remaining 15, and put in new ones, and I'll get back to you once I'm installing the coil packs. Taking out 7 spark plugs, and this is the last one, the 8th. Now time to install the last one. Once I install this, I'll be done with the driver's side. I've taken out 15 spark plugs. Now I'm on to the last one. This is the 16th spark plug. This is the last spark plug. I'm gonna install. Time to replace it with the new one. So I'll tighten it, and we are done with the 16 spark plugs. So the spark plugs, all 16, have been replaced. Now I'm going to install all the coil packs in reverse order. On the passenger side, that was the driver's side. So now time to install the coil pack. So it's a good idea to start from the back and come to the front. As I said before, on the driver's side, it was top right, bottom left. It's the opposite on the passenger side. So it's top left, bottom right. And while installing the spark plug wire, you will hear a little click sound for this grommet to grab onto the spark plug. And that's the way I'm going to install it. Now I'm installing the last coil pack on the passenger side. And make sure you don't over tight. Last step for the passenger side is to connect our connectors back. And we're done with the passenger side. Now let's complete the driver's side. Always make sure you start from the back and come to the front. Installing the last one. Tighten all the screws and make sure you don't over tighten them. Last step, connect our electrical connectors. Now we could give it a start to see if we have any misfires or anything. These are all the old spark plugs and we can discard them. Before closing everything up, we're gonna start the car to see if we have any misfire. And if we don't, we will connect our air boxes back. Let's start the car. There you have it. We started the car. There was no misfire. The engine was smooth. There was no shaking. Now we're going to close everything up. That's how easy it is to replace your spark plugs on your AMG Mercedes SL55 class R230. And for more videos on Mercedes and how to work on them, especially if you want to follow up for this Mercedes for an oil change, changing air filters, stay tuned. As you've seen, we finished up the spark plugs. We started the vehicle and there was no problems. And now the final step is to close airbox. So let's take our airbox back and don't forget to install this vacuum hose. Installing, watch out for these clips. You can easily break them. It's for the throttle body. Just push back. Just line it up. You just push it forward right here. It will clip onto the throttle body. You can hear that click for this tabbing to get on. The air intake box, 2 grooves that go into the top of the supercharger. Just line it up and it locks onto this. And now it's seated perfectly. And it's the same for the passenger side. Just line it up. And it's carefully seated. Just make sure to plug in this hose. Now install your air ducts. They just go on. Just like that. And last is our cover. That's it, and push down. So that's how easy it is to replace your spark plugs. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye-bye.